Hello YouTube. So I know I look a bit odd right now. I'm gonna get into the reason why. So basically I wanted to record this video on my actual good camera because lately I've been recording all my videos on my webcam and I wanted to make an actual nice video for Halloween, but halfway through recording my makeup, my camera's memory card could not be found anymore for some reason. I couldn't figure out why. But yes, I had to remake this video with my webcam with half of my makeup already done. So I already had done the first half of my makeup at this point, and now I'm gonna do the rest via webcam. Yeah, so that's great. And then of course when one thing goes wrong, everything goes wrong. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover right now. Because the audio to this webcam video was not in sync. Okay, yes, moving on. So I am going to be Poison Ivy for Halloween this year. I'm already in my costume, or at least most of it, right here in the video. So I did my foundation already, did contour, highlight, just how I usually do. Yeah, so I did my eyebrows. I just line the bottom and line the top and then fill in with an angled brush pointed vertically. That's how I fill it in. And yeah, the camera also froze a couple times here in the beginning, so that's really cool. Then I took a lime green color and I put that on my eyelids. Was it an eyeshadow? Yeah. And then I took a dark green color and I put that on the outer corners and kind of made a wing with that. And then I put a black eyeshadow, a thin layer of that below my eye, and made these like points in the center. So yeah. So that's everything that I had done up until this point. And now I'm gonna start with the black eyeliner. I also dyed my hair like super red the night before filming this, so yeah, it's pretty red. The lighting in this room was not as good as the room I was previously filming in, the video that you will never see. So yeah, the lighting sucks, everything sucks. This video is a train wreck. Anyways, I'm doing my black eyeliner, and I'm gonna make it in a nice cat eye, nice wing, and it's supposed to align with the wing that I had already made out of eyeshadow. But yeah, I want to make a big dramatic wing. And I am just filling that in here. And I want to try to bring the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm moving on to the other eye. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. And then I made these bottom lashes with eyeliner kind of just in the outer corners, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna go put on some lashes, some false lashes. Those are on now, and I teased up my hair a little bit as well while I was gone. And yeah, camera's freezing up once again, of course. Made that nice little flip in the front and like teased up the back a bit. I used some pretty dramatic lashes. I like to go all out on Halloween. Now I am adding this green color kind of just around my face, like around the shape of my face. And that's because, for those of you who don't know, Poison Ivy is a DC superhero from the DC comics. And she has plant powers. She's like a plant person, I suppose. She controls plants, yes. But I am just doing that green all around the shape of my face, and that gives it a little bit of a supernatural element to show off her plant power stuff. So yes. Fun fact, plant-powered fast food is a really good place in San Diego to get vegan fast food. Anyways, get back on track here. Yes, I'm filling in that green. The only thing I have left to do is put on a dark red lipstick. I am using the shade Lightweight from ColourPop. I don't think it's a matte liquid lipstick. I think it's maybe like a satin lip or something. Yeah, I don't know. But pretty much everything that I used, actually yeah, I think everything that I used for my makeup in this video was either ColourPop or NYX, because those are my two favorite makeup brands. I know a lot of people like to buy more expensive makeup, but I think the cheap stuff looks just as good. And yeah, ColourPop and NYX are both cruelty-free and vegan. For the most part, I think they might have a few products that aren't, so I always check first. But yeah, that's important to me, to have vegan and cruelty-free products. So yeah, these two brands that I've found are cheap, vegan, cruelty-free, and very good quality, so those are the brands that I stick to generally. So my lips are all done, but I wanted to add just a little something else to them. So I added like this green lip scrub. It just kind of looks like green sparkles all over my lips. So I'm adding those now. I'm trying to keep them from getting too clumpy. So I need to like spread that out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the costume. So I have that dress, that's the main part of the costume. Here's what I bought. I got it on Amazon. The brand I think is Eye Candy. I got it in a size extra small, but yeah, just for reference, that's the size I got. So there's the dress. It comes with these tights with leaves all over them, and then it comes with these kind of boot things and these gloves. So yeah, you saw the dress. Here's those tights. They kind of end right before the toes. And then these boot things, you just slide them on like boots. And I think you can wear them over boots. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just wearing them without boots. So there you go. That's what those look like. I'm just gonna put on the other one. And then there's also gloves that are very similar to those boots. And those just slide right on. And they have these thumb holes in each of them. So that's what those look like. And then there's like this cape thing, but it doesn't go around your shoulders. It goes around your waist, actually. And then I wanted to do it exactly like she had it in the picture, so I kept looking back at that for reference. But yeah, she just ties it in a bow around her waist. I just needed to make sure one more time. Alright, so there's that bow, and now I have like this cape skirt thing. And now I will show you the rest of the costume. Or I guess just show you the whole thing, just all put together. Oh, also there's this mask that it came with, but I really don't like it. The bottom of the mask just like flips up and it just looks really awkward and weird. And yeah, I'm just not a fan, so I'm wearing the costume without that mask. Plus you can see the eye makeup that I did better without the mask. But yeah, here is the whole outfit. There we go. And yeah, that is the finished look. I am extremely sorry that this video was such a train wreck, but yeah, it happens, and I kind of got a finished product out of all this struggle. So yeah, just I know you might not like the video, and I'm sorry about that, but I really hope you guys like the finished look. I did spend like 2 hours on the whole ordeal. And here are some pictures of me in the costume.